Bonjour et bienvenue. Je m'appelle AT Khoj. AT Khoj, c'est moi. Did you remember? Auxiliary verb was very important. I told you about the auxiliary verb, that the auxiliary verb which we are going to study are very important, and if you do not study that, or without it, your French is incomplete. So these auxiliary verbs, these two auxiliary verbs are very important. One already you have studied, that was avoir, okay, that was have, and hopefully I hope that you remember that, and you you have gone through those the video again and again, and you keep practicing, keep doing it. And now we are going to have another auxiliary verb, that's être. Again, it's very important, and the verb être is the infinitive form of be. Have you heard? You might have studied that in English language. Be, be, right? So we are going to have this être. Okay, find this être. So this is also this is a verb that is also in infinitive form, but I would say this is the verb which is very important, even than to that earlier, the previous one, have, avoir. So here we go to have this être verb. Okay, it's be. And did you remember that conjugation I told you? Again, I would like to tell you the conjugation is just a modified grammatical form, or you could say when we modify a verb grammatically, it's that process you could say conjugation. So now we are going to conjugate, and we are going to study the present conjugation of être verb. So are you ready to learn the present conjugation of être? Here we go, and find it on the screen. Have a look on it. Have a look. Être verb be. Okay, and how it is conjugated? The conjugation is not possible without the subject pronoun. So just click over the subject pronoun that you have studied already, like je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il, elle. Remember? Okay, because see, whatever the conjugation operation will be done, that will be according to the subjects. Okay, so keep the subjects practicing. Okay, so like we did it twice and thrice, or I think more than that. So I hope that you might have practiced, you might have been very good in subject pronoun, and you might have spoken it very fluently, like je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. Okay, so keep practicing and you will be able to speak it fluently. Okay, practice is all about. So now come to the point. We were discussing, we were going to study about the present conjugation of être verb. I'm going to read it, and what you have to do, répétez après moi. Repeat after moi. Speak it after me. Repeat it after me. Here we go. Je suis is je suis. Je suis. What does it mean? I am. Je suis. Even as I was defining myself, that je m'appelle AT Khoj, right? Okay, so I could say also like je suis AT Khoj, I am AT Khoj. Okay, so je suis is I am. Je suis is I am. Now what was the second one? Tu es. Tu es is you are. And remember this is tu es is informal one. Okay, so you are is tu es. And what is the next one? Il est. Il est. Il est, like he is. Okay, he is. Good. Elle est. Find it. Elle, she is. Okay. A, one is. Okay. Now try to read it. Nous sommes. How would you sound it? Okay. Nous sommes. Nous sommes. Good. Nous sommes. Vous êtes. Find the sound. Like, see, S is facing the vowel sound and the sound of S will be with E. It will be vous êtes. Vous êtes. You are. And the basic difference already, like twice and thrice have spoken to you, and I told you like this vous is used for the formal one, and when you talk about more than one person and formally would like to show your greed, respect towards somebody or someone, you could use vous. So vous êtes is you are. Okay, vous êtes. What's the next one? Ils sont, elles sont. Ils sont, elles sont. Ils sont is when you talk about group of masculine. Okay, ils sont, they are for masculine. Elles sont, they are again, but for feminine. So remember always. Okay, ils sont, elles sont, ils sont, elles sont. So practice it. Je suis, tu as, il a, elle a, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. And if you like to get the fluency, how you're going to do? See, the technique, if you remember, I told you the technique that make a group and speak it twice and thrice, twice and thrice, and after that you get the rhythm and you get the speed. Like, je suis, tu as, il a, elle a, je suis, tu as, il a, elle a, je suis, tu as, il a. First group, speak it very fast. Je suis, tu as, il a, elle a, je suis, tu as, il a, elle a, je suis, tu as, il a, elle a. Okay, so you'll get the practice. Je suis, tu as, il a, elle a. And nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, ils sont. Nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, ils sont. Okay, so keep practicing it, and after that you'll get a perfection, I'm sure, because everyone knows practice makes, that you know very well. So I hope that you have understood it well. Okay, let's have some practice. Like we have already studied one good word. That good, how we would say good in French? Bien. Bien. So if you like to say I am good, so how are you going to say? Je suis bien. Je suis bien. Okay, and if you like to say I am small, je suis petite. Petite is small. Petit. Je suis petit. Je suis petit. Okay, so these were some examples that we took, and now as I told you to practice it or follow it again and again and you'll get the perfection. So please do that. So now we have learned two auxiliary verbs, avoir and être. Avoir is have and être is be. So you have learned these two auxiliary verbs. Last but not the least, okay, so here we're going to find the practice session, and what you are going to do? Well, I'm going to show you the list of conjugated verb and you have to recognize, okay, and you have to like translate it into your mind. Okay, jouer, I have, okay, and je suis, I am. Great, good. Vous êtes. Good, you are. So I believe like you have understood, you have learned it well, and I also enjoyed very well. I enjoyed so much to teach you these two important auxiliary verbs, okay, which will help you out to make more and more sentences in French. Okay, but for that you have to practice it and you have to watch this video again. Okay, And see, that's very simple. Watching this video again and again, you'll get the perfection, you'll be able to speak and able to form the sentences too. Okay?